Powerful mulching heads like the DAH-150E and EOR attachments turn excavators and harvesters into unstoppable forestry machines. These mulchers rip through trees, logs, and dense vegetation with ease, reducing everything in their path to finely shredded mulch, an impressive display of raw strength and engineering. The BL4/SSL forestry mulcher, designed for skid steers from 90 to 135 horsepower, takes on wood up to 12 inches thick. With advanced bite limiter technology, it achieves impressive productivity in forest management, delivering high-efficiency shredding and reliable durability. Its sonic technology adds fine-tuned control, easily optimized through the FAE smartphone app, making this mulcher both powerful and operator-friendly. In an epic showdown of chainsaw power, two skilled operators take up a V8-powered saw and slice through a massive log in under 3 seconds. The sheer speed and force are incredible, making for an unforgettable display of machine power and technique. Watch as this stump grinder goes to work, effortlessly turning stubborn stumps into fine mulch. Its powerful grinding teeth dig deep, removing the remnants of trees and leaving the ground clear and ready for new growth. This wood processor handles logs with a dual-step process. First, it cuts them into sections, and then a hydraulic arm presses each piece against a sharp blade, splitting it down further. This method allows it to tackle even the toughest logs with smooth, efficient cuts. Armed with a high-powered blade, this wood-splitting machine swiftly cuts through logs with precision and ease. Its powerful mechanism makes firewood production fast and straightforward, transforming large logs into perfect sections in seconds. This firewood processor takes the heavy work out of wood cutting, making it easy and even enjoyable. With its automated cutting and splitting, what was once a tedious task becomes quick and efficient. Equipped with a large, sturdy drill head, this machine makes splitting enormous logs look effortless. The drill drives through wood, breaking it into multiple pieces with remarkable strength and control. Splitting long logs has never been easier with this advanced machine. Each pass smoothly divides the wood into manageable pieces, making quick work of even the longest logs with minimal effort. A heavy-duty wood splitter is hard at work, tackling an enormous log with relentless force. Its robust design and powerful mechanism make short work of the task, transforming massive timber into neatly split firewood. This wood splitter is a piece of history. One of the first generation models, it operates using a steam-powered pulley, showcasing a classic yet powerful method for log splitting. With this cutting machine, processing firewood is fast, efficient, and almost too easy. However, its razor-sharp blade requires caution, making it both a powerful and slightly dangerous tool. A handheld log splitter with a powerful drill head proves that even the largest logs can be split with minimal effort. This compact yet efficient tool brings new power and control to the task of wood splitting. With precision and power, a skilled operator uses a chainsaw to divide a massive log into smaller sections, followed by a heavy-duty wood splitter that finishes the job. This tandem effort highlights both expertise and machine strength in turning large logs into manageable pieces. Watch as this log splitter powers through, using a large drill head to break apart logs with remarkable ease. It's a fascinating sight as it transforms solid wood into smaller pieces almost effortlessly. You won't believe your eyes. A skilled driver steers a truck across a powerful flood current, demonstrating both the strength of the vehicle and the driver's impressive control in navigating the challenging waters. Determined to cross an icy river, this driver faces deep waters and is ultimately forced to abandon the attempt. The scene highlights the risks of such daring challenges in unforgiving conditions.
Oh, selangkang benar kan? Jadi nggak ya?
Would you dare cross this bridge? A simple glance reveals its questionable stability, creating a feeling of suspense and unease for any would-be travelers.
Nosotros vamos a cruzar el puente. No sé.
lo sentiamo tutta la fotografia non è
A heavy-duty excavator comes to the rescue, using its powerful arm to pull a stranded truck from a riverbank. It's a true testament to the excavator's strength and versatility in challenging situations. On a steep incline, this heavy-duty truck hauls a load so massive that its front wheels lift off the ground. The sheer weight and power required make this a thrilling feat of strength and control. With expert control, the driver navigates through deep, muddy terrain, proving the resilience of both the truck and their driving skills. The challenging conditions make the successful crossing a true test of endurance. Braving deep mud, this driver maneuvers the truck through a messy path with skill and persistence, turning a tough challenge into a manageable journey.
Opa, un guaje.
Climbing a steep slope, this powerful truck showcases its might, gripping the terrain tightly and making its way to the top. The strength of the engine and the driver's control make this a breathtaking sight.
You definitely need a spring for those new tires. Probably get a lot better traction with them.
Yeah, I know. But it's like $2,000 some odd for the 6 rims. Plus shipping. So it was $800.
Overtime.
Yep, after this weekend, you probably, there'll be you, Kyle, anyone else ain't gonna see.
Oh.
Wait till it gets to a clay bar.
Yeah.
Actually, we could deflate the tires if we really needed to and we get better traction. 15,
That's true.
15. Remember, we can take those tires down to 15 PSI for mud. What? 15 PSI for mud! Some clacked it in there.
At least it's got an air pump.
Yeah.